Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni Espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. Always challenging to film with one hand, but I like the challenge. People tell me to use a tripod. I should probably take their advice. That was a nice shot. I just committed a faux pas in pulling the shot twice, but oh well. Yeah, let's test the steam. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.